We will talk about how can you find notifications on your MoneyLion app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. When you click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on messages, you just click on it. When you click here on messages, it's going to take you to next step, just waiting to open with you. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Here you will find all notifications you have. I have nothing yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list on your MoneyLion app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.